I'm Chef Mike Moses, and welcome to my channel. You may have guessed that I'm in isolation, just like everybody else, and doing my part. The big problem with being in isolation is that the honey-do list gets longer and the chores get better. As you can see, I'm in the garden right now, and this is an area that is being built so that we can expand and take our 2 raised beds last year into 5 or 6 25-foot beds, and I've just started it. I've got a loader coming for my lawn tractor sometime this week, and hopefully I'll be able to clear it out and get more of the cardboard laying around. You may have seen a couple of piles of cardboard. They were all neatly piled away until the other day when we had a massive storm. Lots of wind, lots of rain, and blew everything all around, so I had to clean up again. I've been working on getting a lot of the wood cut, a lot of the wood chipped, and this video here is part of that process. It is the first week of April. Easter is just around the corner. Hopefully we'll be able to get some compost and topsoil in soon. The big problem is that the place where I buy my organic soil is frozen right now. It's slowly thawing out. Hopefully in the next week or so it should be thawed out enough that they can drop off. I think I'm getting about 7 yards. And that 7 yards will enable me to at least get, from my calculations and my math, which is not really good, I should be able to get at least 5 or 6 25-foot beds. In the basement right now in my grow room, I've got the tomatoes and the peppers already growing. They're probably about 4 or 5 inches high, getting ready to be planted. The peas are supposed to go in very shortly, and as well get the lettuce and stuff done up. Keeping fingers crossed, we'll get this built. And right now I've got some of the fence posts in. I'm going to have to, of course, put a deer fence up because deer just love my garden. And rabbits, I've got rabbits this year. And last year we had a pheasant. A big male pheasant was walking around the property quite a bit. We saw his girlfriend this year, so there's going to be lots of baby pheasants around. The end result's going to be this, and this is what it's going to look like. Without the topsoil, of course. I've got some of the cardboard down. I've got another pile of cardboard to use. Right here behind me this is going to be a wildflower garden for the bumblebees. I just put power in there today so that I can run some landscape lighting and also power the greenhouse, which is going to move over to them. If you enjoy these videos, please let me know in the comments. Right now, enjoy some cutting and some chipping.
Tonight we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far. to see. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. We'll dance on that till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance on that till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance on that till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh, baby.
For more information on this recipe and more, head over to my website, www.chefmikemoses.com. You'll find I have a blog running there with the recipes that you can print off. I hope you enjoy this. I'm here to help you cook better, shop smarter, and eat healthier.